When I saw the first videos for bonefish, I couldn't believe it that they actually go this fast. I thought, you know, they were playing around with little rods and stuff and dragging. But no, actually I felt it for myself, how vicious and how fast they go. I couldn't really believe it. Not to speak about the tarpon. I had trouble with a strip strike, even I knew about it, but I was used to lifting up the rod, just like for trout or carp hook settings, and it makes such a difference if you lose a fish or you get one. So that was really quite interesting and great. I'll still have to learn tons, but it's worth learning it because it's big, big fun.
You are the man. You are the fucking man.
Thanks,
buddies. Thanks, Nelson. Thanks, Pablo. Love you both.
Thank you very much.